how to make Gemini speak. It's very simple, easy, and quick to do. So just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. Make sure Gemini is installed in your mobile phone or enabled. And once you install the Gemini app, head over to Gemini. You can actually have a one-on-one live conversation with Gemini, and it's really fun and really useful feature that they have added. To do that, you can simply go and open Gemini, and in the bottom right you see this icon. Go and click on it, and once you click on it, your live
Hi,
chat.
I'm Gemini. We're about to go live, where you can explore complex topics or ideas just by talking. But before we get started,
So like this, all you need to do is click on this button and the live feature will be turned on, and you can go and have one-on-one conversation with Gemini, and you can make Gemini answer your question in real time. That's how you can go and do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.